Howdy howdy rock tumblers. Today I'm going to do a burnishing of my stage 3 rocks, otherwise known as cleaning stage. These were in pre-polish for about 6 days, and I used aluminum oxide 500. I'm going to move them over to the aluminum oxide 1000, but first I need to clean these. So I rinsed them really well. And I'm really happy with how they turned out. They're much smoother after this stage 3 polish. So let's get going here. Get my 2 barrels. And I'm going to fill up the rocks in there. Alright, just like with all the other stages, you put various sizes in there. Don't want them all the same size. I'll get some little bits and pieces here. And they're about 2/3 of the way full. And even in each one. Alright, so then I'm going to fill up the water till it's just below the top level of the rocks. Yep, I can see that now. You don't want to put too much water in there, otherwise it just won't have enough abrasion and cleaning for this stage. Same thing with every stage. So I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of Borax. I'm going to use. All right, now I'm going to put the lids back on, make sure they're on there real good. I'm gonna run these for probably a couple of hours. I've read various amounts of time online to see what works. I'm just gonna play with it here, and I'm gonna try a couple of hours. That should be enough to clean them because they're pretty smooth rocks. I want to get all that grit from the pre-polish off before you put it in the polish stage. So all right, got these on here pretty good. Down there like that, and I keep this off because I live in a hot area and these run hot anyway. And there we go. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.